This is the assessment of listening skill for class 9, session 2020-21. Listening test task 1. You will hear an announcement of a theatre performance. Read the questions below, then listen to the extracts and choose A or B or C for each questions. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the theatre performance of the famous play The Merchant of Venice. To mark 400 years since the death of Shakespeare, there will be 4 acts with a 20-minute break. During the show, we ask you to remain seated on the chairs and please keep children behind the VIP row in the front of the stage. The cafeteria is on the top floor and the restrooms are located in the fenced area to the right of the stage. The parking gate will be opened from the east side and after the show is over. When the play begins, please turn off your cell phones. Thank you for coming and we hope you enjoyed it. Now task 2. You will hear a speech about personality development by Dr. Neeru Pandit. Read the questions below, then listen to the abstracts and choose A or B or C for each question. Hello and good morning. So, who wants to develop a good personality? Of course, everyone. So, today I am going to share with you some tips to develop your personality. First, get to know yourself. Obviously, before you get on developing something, you need to know all about it. The same goes with your personality. One need to start with taking a good look at themselves, analyzing their traits, the strengths and weaknesses and everything that need to be worked upon. Don't shy away from accepting your flaws and learn about yourself as much as you can. Secondly, your thoughts and your actions both need to be positive if you want to have an attractive personality. The way we think has a lot of effect on we act. If one prospers positive thought inside his mind, then that also gives him confidence, boosts and enhances their personality. Situations and circumstances in life can always be full of highs and lows. But in order to adopt positive outlook towards life, you need to find the brighter side of the things and focus on the good parts. Thirdly, meeting new and different kind of people is a healthy step toward expanding horizons and exposing yourself to a large number of things. You get an opportunity to know more about other cultures and lifestyles, and it significantly has a positive effect on your own personality. Fourthly, it is important to have an opinion. Having an opinion and being able to confidently put it forward doesn't just help making your conversations interesting, but it also make you look more influential and well informed around other people. Never shy away from projecting your opinion, even if they happen to conflict with those of other people. Be well informed about all the relevant stuff in your surrounding and feel free to have opinions. Fifth, be a good listener. Most people do not listen with the intent to understand, they listen with the intent to reply. Being a good listener may not seem like, but it is an important step towards achieving more likable personality. When somebody talks to you, listen with interest and give them all attention and importance. Maintain a eye contact, and do not get distracted by the surroundings. It will help you in knowing a better deal about people and attending them in a better way. Last but not least, check your attire. I'm not emphasizing about your exterior self intent of your skills and abilities, but one's attire has an important role to play while making a desirable impression. And not just that, but it also gives yourself a confidence boost, knowing that you look good and are dressed appropriately. Dress up in a decent manner and keep your surrounding in mind. While flashing colors and too much body tattoos or piercing convey an unprofessional attitude. Neatly ironed clothes make you look presentable.